We're at Hospital Direct Medical looking at brand new hospital bed mattresses. We sell refurbished hospital beds. We do sell new hospital beds also, and those are made by Hill-Rom Stryker. But one of the top selling products we have is the hospital bed mattress. The number one selling mattress we carry is the Sleep Assure 150. It's a super good, high quality mattress. We sell it at a wholesale price, and it comes in a very easy box to ship, so it can be drop shipped anywhere in the United States. As a wholesale dealer, and you'll see we sell hospital beds by the hundreds. We can also offer wholesale pricing if you're looking to buy hospital bed mattresses in large quantity. And we carry different ones. We carry the basic one here. We have a bariatric mattress, and then we also have a pressure distribution mattress here as well, which is the Sleep Assure 300. Our top selling mattress is the Sleep Assure 150. If you're looking for just a high quality foam hospital bed mattress, this is one of the best you can buy. We're at Hospital Direct Medical looking at hospital bed mattresses, and we're looking at the Sleep Assure 150, and we're going to go ahead and look at the mattress here in just a minute. But when we ship the mattresses, this is basically the box that they come in. They're going to be shipped in a box, which is going to be 36 inches wide by 17 by 17. It makes it easy for you. And then when you open it up and cut the plastic on the seal, it's going to start filling up with air. So this is the shipping box for the Sleep Assure 150, our best-selling hospital bed mattress, 36 inches by 80 inches. And perfect for average hospital beds. So once the Sleep Assure mattress comes out of the box, this is basically what they've done is they folded it up super tight, squeezed all the air out of it. You're just going to open it up, take it out of the plastic, and then lay it out onto the bed. And once you do that, it's going to look just like this right here. So if you're looking for a fantastic hospital bed mattress for general use, the Sleep Assure 150 once again is our best-selling hospital bed mattress. We do sell some of the best refurbished hospital beds in the world with Hill-Rom and Stryker beds here at Hospital Direct Medical. So in addition to the hospital beds, we also sell the hospital bed mattresses, and we sell air mattresses, foam mattresses, but our entry-level foam mattress once again is the Sleep Assure 150. Give us a call at Hospital Direct Medical to order the mattress and for more pricing information. We sell these wholesale and retail one at a time. 858-263-4894. You can also get more information off our website, which is www.hospitalbeds.com.